and they're non-aggressive.
So it's all thousands of papaya plants, all the way. Okay, then slow down right up here. You can see in here. Look, those are thousands of papaya
You're not
plants.
seeing.
All right, so my property ends right here.
And we are here in a papaya plantation. Mike owns the whole thing. And this is gorgeous, man. It's a hill with all the papayas. This shit will... Oh my God, we have papayas right here.
Yeah, they're all over.
Look at this. Guys,
It's a lot.
this is all papayas.
It's a lot. It's a forest of papayas.
This is gorgeous. This is fucking crazy. 35 acres? 32. 32 acres of papaya. Look at these, guys. These are wasps. Pull down the hive. And they're non-aggressive. Wow. Kind of. They are. No, they not hurt you. The iguana trying to get eggs from the birds in the colony. And the babies are right there. See? That's a baby. And the iguana is here trying to prey on the eggs. So many babies. How beautiful is this? That's a natural spring and the iguana is looking at that. Try to protect the babies and the eggs. Leave the eggs alone. Oh, there are 2, man. 3. Look at that. They're preying on the babies.